Welcome to this video review of Squirt long-lasting dry lube. If you are a cyclist, you know the importance of keeping your chain lubricated. A well-lubricated chain can improve performance, extend the life of your components, and make your ride smoother. There are many different lubricants on the market, but today we are going to focus on Squirt long-lasting dry lube. Now let's dive into the depths of this video. What is Squirt long-lasting dry lube? Squirt long-lasting dry lube is a wax-based lubricant designed for use in dry conditions. It's made from a unique blend of waxes and other substances that are designed to keep your chain clean and lubricated. Unlike traditional oil-based lubricants, Squirt long-lasting dry lube doesn't attract dirt and grime, which can cause your chain to wear out faster. This means that you can ride longer without having to clean and re-lubricate your chain. How to use Squirt long-lasting dry lube? Using the dry lube is easy. First, clean your chain with a degreaser to remove any dirt or grime. Then, apply a small amount of dry lube to each link of your chain. Be sure to check the bottle well before use to ensure that the wax and other substances are well mixed. Once you have applied the lubricant, allow it to dry for at least an hour before riding. Performance. So, how does dry lube perform on the road? In our testing, we found that it lived up to its name. After several rides in dry conditions, our chains remained clean and well lubricated. We didn't experience any chain noise or shifting issues, which can be caused by a poorly lubricated chain. And best of all, we didn't have to clean and re-lubricate our chains as frequently as we do with other lubricants. Durability. Another factor to consider when choosing a chain lubricant is durability. How long will the lubricant last before it needs to be replaced? In our testing, we found that Squirt long-lasting dry lube lasted longer than many other lubricants we have tried. Even after several rides, our chains remained well lubricated and clean. Of course, the exact lifespan of the lubricant will depend on factors like the weather conditions, the type of riding you do, and how often you clean your chain. Overall, we are very impressed with Squirt long-lasting dry lube. It's a high-quality lubricant that lives up to its promises. If you ride in dry conditions and are looking for a lubricant that will keep your chain clean and well lubricated, we highly recommend giving Squirt long-lasting dry lube a try. Thanks for watching and happy cycling!